Hey guys, this is Random Fix. You have a hood that's constantly going down on you. You want to take this not to the shop and just quickly do it yourself. I'm going to show you guys how to quickly do this. And for staying tuned till the end of the video, I'm going to give you guys my #1 tip so this does not happen to you again. So definitely stay tuned. One other thing to keep in mind, I'm going to have a link to anything that I use in the video. Definitely check that out. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Let's go ahead and get this video started. Today I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and replace your hood shocks on your vehicle. So if your hood is constantly going down, hitting you in the head, it's old, whatever it is, I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and take care of this now. And this is going to be super easy. So definitely follow along. You don't need many tools to do this. You can normally go ahead and get away with a little screwdriver like this. All we're gonna do is remove the old ones. If you have a little helper, I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. If not, you can grab yourself one of these. These are super cool. What this allows you to basically do is do it just using one person. So go ahead and get this mounted up. With that mounted up, I'm gonna go ahead, pop off my old hood shocks here, which only take a few seconds. Make sure these clips do not hit you in the face. Undo the clip. You want to move the clip out about that far out. Once that happens, just go ahead and pop that off. Alright, that popped off. You can pop that back in. You want to do the same exact thing on this bottom one here. That just comes off like that. And now what you can do is you can go ahead, pop in the new one. The new one doesn't need much anything on here. If you want, you can go ahead and put some grease on it, but pops in. And up here you do the same exact thing. It just pops in like that. Super easy to do. And now we're gonna go ahead and do the other side, which is gonna be just as simple. That comes off. Same thing down here. You're done. Grab your new hood strut right here. I call them shocks, whatever you want to call them. Main thing is that they work. Just go ahead and pop that on and pop it on up here, and voila, your hood shocks are now in. And let's go ahead and give that a try. Perfect. Let's go ahead and open this up again. Alright guys, that's that simple. No more having to have somebody help you with this, or holding it up, or possibly getting hit in the head. So that was super easy. And my #1 tip, hood is always closed evenly. So if you have a dual latch system where you got a latch on this side here and a latch here, what you do is you want to make sure both sides are latched evenly. And a lot of times you could adjust the way the hood actually closes using these little grommets here. See how they spin back and forth? You could adjust the height. If these are not even, what will happen is one of the shocks, if it's closed all the way, super easy, save yourself a bunch of time. You can get these on Amazon for about $20-25 and you're done. And thanks again for watching out the video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button below, smash on that notification bell, give the video a thumbs up, and thanks for watching again, and have a fantastic day.